In this tutorial, we will show you how to manage elements on a product table to show or hide elements and values in the WooCommerce product table plugin. In our plugin, you can access the condition for elements in the Element Settings panel. For example, if you add SKU as an element to the cell content, the conditions for the element section are available in the Element Settings panel. Now, when you click on the settings button of each row, the condition for a row in the Element Settings panel will be displayed. If you open the condition for element section, you can see a combo box and some terms enabling you to set your conditions. In the combo box, you can choose one of these options. Show element only if all conditions are met. The element or row is displayed on the table when all conditions set in this tab are met. Hide element only if all conditions are met. The element or row is not displayed on the table when all conditions set in this tab are met. Show element only if any conditions are met. The element or row is displayed on the table when one or more conditions set in this tab are met. Hide elements only if any conditions are met. The element or row is not displayed on the table when one or more conditions set in this tab are met. Before setting your conditions, you must choose at least one of these options in the combo box. Those allow you to set your conditions based on the following: custom field, attribute, category, price, stock, product status, store timing, user role. Let's review the options available in each condition type. Custom field condition. Custom field condition is designed to let you set a condition for displaying or hiding an element in the table if a specific value of the custom field is included in the product features. To add conditions based on a custom field, you have access to two fields. Custom field name. In this field, you can write the name of any custom field that you have already assigned to your products in WooCommerce. Custom field value. Set the value for the added custom field. For example, consider that you added bandwidth as a custom field to your product, and now you want to show your customers a suitable for the big shop message for 10 gigabytes bandwidth. So in order to set this condition, first, click on Add Element and choose text from the available element list. Write suitable for the big shop in the text box of the General tab, and then open condition for element section. The next thing you need to do is choose show elements only if all conditions are met. Alright, next, mark add custom field condition, and now you should write bandwidth in the custom name field. Then write 10 gigabytes in the value field. Alright, now let's check the table. As you can see, we have suitable for big shop just for 10 gigabytes bandwidth. Attribute condition. The next term in the condition for element tab allows you to set your conditions based on the product attributes. If this condition is active, you will see two boxes. In the first combo box, you can choose one of the attributes like color, size, and etc. In the next box, you can add the terms related to the selected attribute. If you leave this box empty, the condition will apply to all terms related to the selected attribute. For example, if you choose color from the attributes list, it is possible to add some terms like this, like blue, red, yellow. For example, we tried to add a button for blue and red products to give customers more information. So add the button element to the table, then add click for more information as the button text. Next thing you're gonna do is choose the open product page from the linked list and open condition for element tab. Now mark add attribute condition and then choose color as an attribute and write blue, red in the term box. Okay, now you can see the result in live preview. As you can see, the new button is appeared just for some products. Category condition. When you want to instruct the plugin to display an element or row just for specific categories, you can set the category condition. In order to do this, mark the checkbox and add your preferred categories in the text box. Now, let's try to show download here button for products of the t-shirts category in the product table. Add button element and set download here in the text box field. After that, choose the open product page link, open condition for element tab, mark add category condition and write t-shirts in the box. And the result is exactly as we expected. Price condition. This term in the condition for element section is useful when you must show or hide an element or row based on a range of product prices. In order to set a price range, write two numbers for the minimum and maximum prices. You should know that the price condition is not available for variable products. Stock condition. You can set conditions based on stock quantity or stock status by adding stock conditions. For conditions based on stock quantity, you can add stock range, negative stock range for back orders, and multiple stock quantities. To set conditions based on stock status, it is possible to write in stock, out of stock, and on back order in the text box. For example, suppose that you want to show stock quantity in the cell content of in-stock products and not available text in the cell content of out-of-stock products. First of all, add quantity element, open condition for element tab, and mark add stock condition and write in stock in the box. Then go ahead and add text in the cell content and write not available in the text box. Open condition for element and click on stock condition. Now write out of stock in the box. And there you go, perfect. The plugin shows the elements exactly according to the set conditions in the table. Store timing condition. This is a very useful term in the condition for element section
if you are providing products or services to your customers available on a special date or time, or in case you want to inform your customers that your shop is open for specific hours or days. Alright, select the time zone from the first combo box to set the timing condition. Then, in the next box, you can set the date timing rule by following these instructions. For example, you want to inform customers that you are closed every Sunday and the working hours of your shop are from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Here is how you do this: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. User role condition. By adding this condition, you can limit the displaying of the elements or row to specific user roles. The plugin automatically 10 a.m. lists all user roles available in your WooCommerce store, so you can easily mark the checkbox next to one or more to set the condition.